There are three types of cloud computing models that are available in the marketplace today: infrastructure, platform, and software as a service. Well, which one is right for you? Which mix do you need? What are your choices that you have available in the marketplace? As the service models are giving rise to computing resources in other areas and the marketplace is expanding, customers now have more choice. So what is cloud computing? Put simply, cloud computing is a model that enables convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of specialized computing resources. They might not otherwise be available due to financial concerns, technical concerns of your staff, or quite simply real estate, or complexity of operations. The efficiencies of sharing infrastructure has even led to a beneficial lowering of costs for these services. So you've got to choose what the right model is for you, whether you need infrastructure, platform, or software as a service. Each of them have unique business drivers, and the application needs of your company determines which model is going to best suit you. The whole point of cloud server access services is that they allow you to take advantage of systems tailored to your own needs. You need to take a hard and honest look at the expertise and the size of your team. Take into account, too, the existing architecture that your present systems are based on. You also need to consider the agility and flexibility you're expecting from the new capabilities that you're accessing. Whether you're planning to move to a private cloud or public cloud, you'll need to carry out a workload assessment, bearing in mind that each application and process that's required is an extra workload together, and the interdependencies between them. Cost analysis is also very important. How much would the new platform or infrastructure components cost you if you were going to do this yourself in your own data center? What would be the cost of transition? Are these old legacy applications that you're planning on moving to the cloud, or are they cloud native applications that you're simply relocating to an IBM premise? What about ongoing maintenance and monitoring? For instance, if you move to a managed platform, that could completely eliminate those maintenance costs that you have for your current environment, along too with the cost of managing the application upgrades. So the most relevant question is, how much do you want to save? So cloud computing services evolve with the marketplace. The categories that we have also include containers as a service and functions as a service, so that you only pay for what you need when you need it. But the main models to continue are still infrastructure, platform, and software. So for infrastructure, instead of purchasing the hardware outright, you pay for infrastructure on demand. It's scalable depending on the processing and storage needs that you have. It saves you the cost of buying and maintaining your own hardware, and because data is on the cloud, it eliminates many single points of failure. It enables the virtualization of administrative tasks, freeing up your staff for other work. Platform as a service is a set of tools which enable you to test, develop, and host applications in the same environment without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. It provides managed security, operating systems, server software, and backups. Facilities are enabled to collaborate work teams even if your teams are remote. Thirdly, software as a service provides vendors with software and applications via a subscription model. You don't have to manage, install, or upgrade the software, and SaaS providers manage this. Data is secure in the cloud, and equipment failures doesn't impact the data at all. Resources can be scaled depending on your service needs, and applications are accessible from almost any internet-connected device, virtually anywhere in the world. So, the choice you have to make is which model is right for you. Also, do you want public or do you want private? Take those issues into concern and let IBM help you with all your compute needs in the cloud.